How to fix TP Link router's Wi-Fi not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, reboot the router. Unplug the router's power cord from the outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. And then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary software glitches. Now check Wi-Fi settings. Ensure the Wi-Fi switch on the router is turned on and verify that you are using the connect Wi-Fi network name that is SSID password and encryption setting that is WPA2. After that, update router firmware. Log into your router's admin interface and navigate to the firmware update section and check for available updates. Install any updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Now you need to change the Wi-Fi channel. Simply go to router settings and change the broadcast channel to reduce interference. Channels 1, 6 or 11 are usually the best options for minimizing network congestions. Now, if the problem persists, reset the router to its default setting and reconfigure it. After that, your TP Link's router Wi-Fi not working will start working. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.